Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to rotate your image in Lightroom. It's a very quick and very simple step. You have to follow along and you'll be able to rotate your image. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. Let's tap into the app itself and okay, let's choose this photo right here. So we want to rotate this, right? So in order to do that, you have to tap in the very bottom corner, not corner, at the very bottom you can see many options. Let's tap into this one right here, that is crop and geometry. And there's so many options of lock, straighten, and there's the option of rotate. All you have to do is click on that and it's rotating. See? So this is how you rotate your picture if you want it this way, that way. So let's say I want it to be like total, like posed. So let's tap in this button right here and your image has been rotated. So this is how you rotate your image in Lightroom. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I would really appreciate that. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.